What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is my everyday makeup routine. I've been wanting to do this for you guys, and we're finally doing it. Cheers to finally doing shit. Okay, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys like this video. Yeah, so stay tuned. So I already prepped my face, and if you guys are interested in what that looks like in my skincare routine, go ahead and click on the link below and you can see that. But we're just gonna go right into it. I'm gonna make it easy on myself and y'all to put the links to each product that I'm gonna use at the bottom. But these products are really just like my holy grail of makeup products. I've, done makeup for years, or done my makeup for years, for shows, for everyday, for photo shoots, for everything. And yeah, this has been my my go-to, just everyday glam. I'm not even gonna put on lashes this time because sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie, like I'm not the best at putting lashes on. It'll take me forever to make it perfect how I want it. And so I just wanted this to be like a quick little 20-minute everyday makeup look, So I'm gonna start with my brows. I usually just use a light brown pencil, and I'm just gonna kind of brush my hairs up and shape them right. I do it. My eyebrow journey is kind of wild. I used to, have like the inside be really dark. I was struggling trying to make it work, but I think just through practice, I kind of got better at it and not just applying so much. Yes, I do add a tail a little bit just to kind of give it a little, but obviously try to like blend and make sure it don't look like, makeup. So I'm just kind of filling a little bit. So go. And I always just like my eyebrows to look really natural and full, not like dramatic or just like, just kind of crazy looking. Because I do believe like your eyebrows really do shape your face. So, if you do your eyebrows wrong, then sis, you got a problem. But yeah, I kind of just keep it simple like that. And I kind of make sure it's a little light, because like I said, I used to like make it dark and the insides for some reason. So yeah, just kind of like go through the lines and like lightly put it on, and then kind of just like lightly fill in, and that way it's like comes out really natural and not super dark, not super just made up, That is the goal. So yeah, once I get like the tails right, looking all natural, yeah, it looks better. Just gonna make sure it's looking natural. I have like another mirror down here that helps with this too. Yeah. Okay. So that's usually where I start, just do my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna put some primer on my lid real quick. This is e.l.f. by the way. Just fill it in. once I put my primer on, I usually just, my go-to is like a gold eyeshadow, just to keep it like natural and like just a natural glam look. So I'm gonna use this gold eyeshadow, and I usually kind of just use my fingers with my eyeshadow a lot of the times, because I just kind of just dab it on there, keep it pushing. But yeah, just kind of go like this, and on there. Cute. Just keep dabbing it. I like using the brushes sometimes to apply eyeshadow, but sometimes I'm just being very transparent. Like I get lazy doing my makeup, and sometimes I'm just like, oh, let me just use my finger. So next I'm just gonna put on like this brown, light brown eyeshadow to kind of give my eye a little bit of depth or whatever. I don't know, I just know it looks good when I do it. That I do use a brush for that. And I'm just gonna do like a real light, because it's just every day. It's not like I'm like going, you know, going to an event or something. I'm literally gonna run some errands after this. But yeah, just kind of lightly go, just to kind of give it a little bit of depth in your eyes. You see it? Yes. Usually, sometimes I do put this on first and then do the gold shimmer. But yeah. It's okay. If I do go like this in this order, then I'll just go back over with the gold shimmer and kind of retouch some areas that, you know, were hidden in that crease. Especially like the inner corner. So yeah, that's how I do my eyes, my eyeshadow. So after that, I just use concealer. Like I said, I'm gonna put all these products in the description. But the Pro Concealer, you can get this at any beauty supply store for the low, okay? And really just be taking care of the shit. And it's really inexpensive. I like that too. I kind of put a lot on there, but I'm just kind of gonna do this. Just kind of dab it. I don't want to put too much. But I usually just put the eyeshadow first, because I don't like that fallout after you like set your face with concealer and whatever foundation you may use or whatever. I'm trying to hide some of those breakouts that I have, and just kind of cover some of like my trouble areas. That's why I'm kind of putting around my jawline. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend this in, and I'm just gonna dab it with this brush that I have. It took me a while to get to like a point where like getting the right concealer. I still to this day don't really wear like a foundation. I mean, I have like a powder that I guess I kind of use as foundation, but you know what I mean? Like, it's not like your regular foundation that you'll, you know, be like a full coverage type thing. It's not like that. Kind of really just like evens out my skin tone and doesn't make it oily. So yeah. So I found this powder on or at Walmart trying something new. It actually really works. So yeah, I just kind of put this everywhere, kind of blend everything in, make sure I don't be looking oily. Oh shit. Okay. The wrong palette. Okay. Okay. That looks cute. Make sure this don't look oily. My forehead, my T-zone. Okay. So after I do that, I'm almost done really. I'm gonna put some mascara on. This is like one of my favorite mascaras. There's another one that I like. I don't have it right now, but it's called Better Than Sex. That one's good. But this one's really good too. Kind of makes it really full. And I have relatively short but curly lashes. Okay. Cute! This is a very like natural makeup look, guys. These are for the girls at the natural beauties, okay? But once I let that kind of set in, I'm gonna put some highlight on. Of course, the oh so wonderful Fenty Beauty. What color is this? This is Hustler Baby. I'm a hustler baby. I really do be getting like highlight happy. I'll be wanting my face to shine sometimes, and I gotta like let up. But yeah, I've had this for a while. This is really good. I love these highlights, especially in the summer. You know, looks really good in the summer. Now I'm going to line my lips and put my setting spray on, and then I'll be done. Okay. I definitely need a sharpener, but we're gonna get through this. Cute. All right, so now I'm just gonna put some setting spray. Just let that go. But yes, that is it. What y'all think? Cute? Alright guys, this includes my everyday makeup routine. I hope that you guys liked it. Go ahead and like, comment, let me know what you guys are using, or if you use any of the products that I listed down below in the description. This has kind of helped me get through life in this world as a black girl. So, but I think it came out really cute. Nice little natural, look. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all so much for the support. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next video. Love you.